King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, it is Christmas themed, so if you are looking forward to learning how to make a candy cane lip gloss, then keep on watching. So I already have 5 ounces of ready gloss in each of these bowls, so we're going to go ahead and add our candy cane flavoring oil to each of the bowls. So in one bowl, we're going to add our candy cane lip liquid from TKB Trading to get that nice red color. And we're going to add a lot of pigment because we want this color to be shown on the lips. And we want this gloss to be highly pigmented. Next, we're going to take our white lip liquid from TKB Trading and add that to our second bowl because this is a candy cane gloss. So we need a red bowl and a white bowl. And don't forget that everything that I use in today's video will be linked in the description so that you can easily get it yourself if you are interested in recreating these glosses. Now we're going to go ahead and mix these lip liquids into our gloss base so we can get that beautiful candy cane color. Now we are going to take our 20 milliliter syringe and start to suck up the gloss into the syringe. I have 2 syringes, different ones, because we have 2 separate colors. We are not mixing these colors, so you have to have 2 separate syringes. So the order that we are going to do this gloss is red, white, red, white. So you insert a little bit of the red gloss and then a little bit of the white gloss and then a little bit of the red gloss and fill the rest up with the white. And that is how we get our candy cane effect for this lip gloss. It smells really amazing. I love the peppermint scent. It is definitely giving me Christmas vibes. I totally forgot to mention that we got new squeeze tubes. As you can see, I know you guys are like, whoa, those are super cute. Let me know if you guys love them as much as we do. I am obsessed with our new custom made squeeze tubes. I got them from Alibaba.com if you guys are interested in learning where to get private label glosses as well. So yeah. there you have it. That is how we get our candy cane gloss. It looks amazing. I love it so much. I love Christmas. I just love the holidays, so this gloss is everything to me. am done filling all of the tubes, this is the beautiful outcome. It's giving Santa, baby. It's giving you've been naughty or nice, okay? What do you guys think of this gloss? Let me know in the comments below. So now we're going to add our pink caps to all of the tubes and go ahead and close them and secure them. A close-up of all the glosses. These glosses will be a part of my Christmas collection when that drops, so stay on the lookout for that. Let me know how much you guys love the tubes, if you like them or if you don't like them. I personally love them, so yes, I hope you guys are looking forward to the holiday season because lots of Christmas videos are on the way. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you don't leave this video without liking, commenting, and subscribing. Also, subscribe to my personal channel as well. All of that is linked in the description below. I will see you guys in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.